little adventure walk here in Canada on a very nasty wintry day. And I think in the States they'd call this a blizzard. But those are our docks. And there you can sort of see the snow just drifting by. This is our little sauna. And I shoveled this whole walkway out yesterday with a snowblower and a shovel, and I'm fearful I'm going to have to do it again today. Anyhow, just keep on our little walk. Look at this up here. There's an ice storm hit Ontario yesterday, and there's a lot of power outages. Fortunately, our power is still on. There's another thing we do here in Canada is to help with cleaning your windshield and having your windshield wipers not stuck. You pull them up like that. That way it's easier to clean everything out and then put them back down. Just keep a little walk up to the roadway here. You can hear that wind. Oh my God. But look at this, eh? Look at the trees. They're just solid, covered in snow. And hear that wind. Oh my God. So oh boy, it's total white out here. This road has not been plowed or sanded today. Look at this, this is crazy. It's not really cold. This is windshield power. Problem is that wind knocks things into these power lines. This one actually went down in the spring or last winter, but I'm just going to keep walking. I'll clean the lens off a little bit. I don't think anybody's seen one set of tire tracks here. This cottage has a little reindeer there. You see it? Wow. It is snowy out here. This is why the concept of white Christmases are overrated. I mean, this is past Christmas, but this makes for a lot of dangerous driving. Like I am walking on ice now. That's about an inch of ice. Okay, we're almost at the bridge, so hang in there. And at the bridge, it's unsheltered by trees. Take the full force of the wind in. Oh my God. This is crazy. Okay. You're thinking like, why would I watch every video that's just all white? Don't blame you. My hands are holding the camera's getting kind of cold. Okay, we're up to the bridge here. This is the bridge. It's just a little bridge. It goes over the Gull River. Look at that, eh? Just a crazy day here. Anyhow, we stocked up on food and gas and stuff yesterday. Alright, the bridge, let's have a look. Look at that, eh? What a nasty day, eh? The other side, the river doesn't freeze in the middle because of the water is flowing. Just incredible here, eh? So if you're watching this video from a warm destination, I am jealous. There you have it.